RV fitness, staying active and healthy on the road. The open road calls, beckoning you to landscapes unexplored and adventures untold. But amidst the allure of the wandering lifestyle, how does one keep the specter of the sedentary at bay? Fear not, intrepid travelers, for the path to fitness in the great outdoors is paved with more than good intentions. It's lined with practical, achievable strategies to keep you and your crew active and healthy, even on wheels. Embrace nature as your gym trail treks. Every stop on your journey is an opportunity to explore. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the local trails. From serene forest walks to challenging mountain hikes, each step is a step toward fitness. Water workouts, lakeside camp, seaside stopover. Dive into swimming, kayaking, or paddleboarding. These water-based activities are not only refreshing but pack a serious punch in the cardio and strength department. Bike adventures, pack foldable bikes or e-bikes for easy storage. Cycling offers a dual win of sightseeing and heart-pumping exercise, perfect for those campground loops or exploring local communities. Turn your RV into a roving wellness retreat. Resistance bands, these lightweight, versatile fitness tools are a nomad's dream. Use them for strength training, stretching, or even yoga. The best part? They can tuck away into the smallest of drawers. Portable fitness gear, jump ropes for heart rate boosting, hand weights for strength, a yoga mat for flexibility and balance. Select portable fitness equipment that aligns with your exercise preferences and available space. Digital trainers, leverage technology with fitness apps and online workouts. Whether it's a 30-minute HIIT session or a calming evening yoga flow, your digital device can be your personal trainer, anywhere you park. Incorporate activity into daily routines. Sightseeing steps ***. Choose walking tours over driving whenever possible. Museums, historical sites, and botanical gardens offer enriching experiences that also keep you on your toes, literally. Active play, traveling with kids or pets. Use playtime as a way to sneak in some extra activity. Frisbee, tag, or a simple game of catch can elevate your heart rate and family bonding. Community engagement, participate in campground or local community activities. From group hikes to dance classes, socializing can also mean mobilizing. Mindful eating on the move. Smart snacking, stock your pantry with healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, fruits, and veggies. Having nutritious options readily available helps curb the temptation of convenience store indulgences. Cooking creativity, use the limited space of an RV kitchen to your advantage by experimenting with simple, healthy recipes. Think one-pot meals loaded with vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Local delights, when exploring local cuisine, opt for dishes that are fresh and regionally sourced. It's a way to support local communities while maintaining a balanced diet. Prioritize rest and recovery. Sleep hygiene, ensure your RV sleeping quarters are conducive to a good night's rest. Invest in comfortable bedding, use blackout curtains, and maintain a cool, quiet environment. Relaxation techniques, incorporate mindfulness practices into your routine. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply enjoying a quiet moment outside can reduce stress and aid in recovery. Stretching sessions, after a day of adventure, don't skimp on stretching. A gentle evening stretch can ease muscle tension and improve flexibility, preparing you for tomorrow's journey. Setting and tracking fitness goals ** realistic goals, set achievable fitness objectives that complement your traveling lifestyle. Whether it's daily step counts, weekly hikes, or regular strength workouts, tailor your goals to your journey. Progress tracking, use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your activity levels, heart rate, and even sleep quality. Seeing your progress can be a powerful motivator. Accountability buddies, encourage your travel companions to join in on your fitness journey. Having a partner in health can boost motivation and make exercising more enjoyable. Embrace flexibility and fun. Variety is the spice of life. Mix up your activities to keep things interesting and work different muscle groups. Kayaking one day, rock climbing the next. Embrace the diverse opportunities each destination offers. Celebrate achievements, reach the top of that daunting hill. Completed a month of daily yoga? Celebrate these milestones. Small rewards can reinforce positive habits. Enjoy the journey. Remember, staying active on the road isn't just about fitness, it's about enriching your RV lifestyle. Every hike, bike ride, or yoga session is an opportunity to connect more deeply with the world around you. Your road to wellness. Embarking on an RV adventure doesn't mean leaving your fitness goals in the rearview mirror. With a blend of outdoor activities, portable exercise equipment, and a commitment to wellness, staying active on the road is not only possible but can enhance your travel experience. From the majestic peaks to the tranquil shores, let the landscape inspire your fitness journey, turning every stop into an opportunity for growth, health, and unforgettable memories. So, gear up, set your sights on the horizon, and prepare for a journey that's as healthy as it is scenic. Here's to the open road and the active life that awaits.